Hello students, today let us solve some important problems related to gas laws. Problem number 1, please listen. A gas occupies a volume of 200 ml at a pressure of 0.820 bar at 20 degrees Celsius. How much volume will it occupy when it is subjected to external pressure of 1.025 bar at the same temperature? Yes. Okay, please listen. A gas occupies a volume of 200 milliliter at a pressure of 0.820 bar. Okay, this is the initial condition of the gas. That means here P1 is 0.820 bar and V1 is 200 milliliter. Yes, then at 20 degrees Celsius, temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. How much volume will it occupy when it is subjected to external pressure of 1.025 bar at same temperature? That means you are supposed to find out the volume of gas when the pressure is increased to 1.025 bar. Okay, that means you have to find the volume of the gas when the pressure is increased to 1.025 bar. Yes, at the same temperature. That means here the temperature is kept constant. We know Boyle's law gives the relationship between pressure and volume of gas at a constant temperature. Then here the P2 is 1.025 bar. Okay. Then we have to find the corresponding volume. Then according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Therefore, V2 equal to P1 V1 divided by P2. Okay, that is 0.8 20 bar into 200 ml, okay, divided by 1.025 bar. Okay, then the final answer becomes about 160 milliliter. Okay, next problem, please read. A sample of oxygen gas weighing 8.5 gram at a pressure of 600 millimeter of mercury occupies a volume of 10.8 liter. Yes, when temperature is 270 Kelvin. Okay, here the volume of gas is 10.8 liter when the temperature is 270 Kelvin. Okay, this is the initial condition. Okay, V1, then T1. Then what is its volume when the temperature is raised to 360 Kelvin at the same pressure? ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ഓർക്കേണ്ട ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് പോയിന്റ്, ഇവിടെ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ ഡിഗ്രി സെൽഷ്യസിലാണെങ്കിൽ അതായത് നിങ്ങൾ കെൽവിൻ സ്കെയിലേക്ക് നിർബന്ധമായിട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്. ദെൻ ഹിയർ ദ പ്രഷർ ഈസ് കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ്. യെസ്, we know Charles' law gives the relationship between volume and temperature of gas at constant pressure. Okay, then according to Charles' law, according to Charles' law, V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. Okay, നമ്മൾ വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഇതിനെ ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ V1 T2 equal to V2 T1, V1 T2 equal to V2 T1. Therefore, V2 equal to V1 T2 divided by T1. That is 10.8 liter into 360 Kelvin divided by 270 Kelvin. Okay, the 10.8 liter into 360 Kelvin by 270 Kelvin. The answer is 14.4 liter. The answer 14.4 liter ആണോ എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. Okay, next problem. A sample of nitrogen occupies a volume of 1 liter at a pressure of 0.5 bar at 40 degrees Celsius. Calculate the pressure if the gas is compressed to 0.225 milliliter at minus 6 degrees Celsius. Okay. Here, the volume of nitrogen gas. Here, the nitrogen gas occupies a volume of 1 liter at a pressure of 0.5 bar and temperature 40 degrees Celsius. This is the initial condition of nitrogen gas. The initial volume is taken as 1 liter. Initial pressure is taken as 0.5 bar and initial temperature is taken as 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius means 40 plus 273, that is 313 Kelvin. Yes. Then here our aim is to calculate the pressure of the nitrogen gas. The pressure of the nitrogen gas when the nitrogen gas is compressed to 0.225 milliliter at a temperature of minus 6 degrees Celsius, means minus 6 plus 273, that is 267 Kelvin. Okay, this is the final condition of nitrogen gas. Okay, the final volume V2 is 0.225 milliliter. Yes, the final pressure of nitrogen gas is V2. Then the final temperature T2 is 267 Kelvin. We know combined gas equation gives the relationship between the three measurable properties of gases: pressure, volume and temperature. Okay, according to combined gas equation, P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. Okay, നമുക്കിതിനെ ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. Then the equation becomes P1 V1 T2 is equal to P2 V2 T1. Therefore, P2 equal to P1 V1 T2 divided by V2 T1. We can substitute the values. 0.5 bar into V1 is 1000 milliliter T2 is 267 Kelvin divided by V2 0.225 milliliter into T1 313 Kelvin. Okay, then the answer is 1895 bar. Okay, എല്ലാവരും ഈ ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ ഒന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം. കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് number of moles of hydrogen present in 500 sample of hydrogen gas at a pressure of 1 bar and at 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, here we have to calculate number of moles of hydrogen. Okay, then the volume of hydrogen is 500 milliliter, means 0.5 liter by 1000. Okay, then the pressure is 1 bar and the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, means 27 plus 273, that is 300 Kelvin. Okay, number of moles, volume, pressure and temperature, these are the four measurable properties of gases. We know the four measurable properties of gases are interrelated using the ideal gas equation. According to ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT. Okay, therefore number of moles N is equal to PV by RT. Okay, pressure is 1 bar, volume is 0.5 liter, the value of R is 0.083 liter bar mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Okay, and here temperature is 300 Kelvin. Okay, then ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസർ 0.02 മോൾ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, 0.02 മോൾ. ഓക്കെ, ഇനിയും കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്തു നോക്കാം. ഡൗട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പേഴ്സണലി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്നോട് ചോദിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഓക്കെ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ഇൻ മൈ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ we will discuss the important theory of gases, that is kinetic molecular theory of gases. Okay students, goodbye, study well.